Good day, you are welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on the Global Trade Tutor. In today's video and in this series of video, my focus will actually be on German market. German market is a very big market, and for what you can see on the screen, you will notice that German market actually imported goods worth about $1.5 trillion in 2022. So in this series of video, I'll be talking about different things that the German market import. And for you in any part of the world, you are looking at exporting, this will give you an idea of what you should be looking at exporting to Germany. From the data available on what German market import, the largest import of Germany is petroleum gas. And this is followed by cars. And this is followed by parts of cars. This is followed by crude petroleum, that's crude oil. This is followed by refined petroleum. This is followed by vaccine. This is followed by packaged drugs, and a host of others. But to see that the demand in this market is $1.5 trillion means this is a market you want to be. You know, the largest is the US in terms of import, followed by China, and we've done those two. If you are just joining, you can check the previous session of the playlist on that on our YouTube channel, Global Trade Tutor and Voice of African Trade. And then in this series, we're looking at the German market. In this video, I'll be looking at what does Germany import, and my focus will be on metal products. Metal products. Germany is spending $131 billion to import different kind of metal products. $131 billion to import different kind of metal products. So the question now is, what are the metal products that Germany imports? Germany does a lot of import of metal products, quite a number of them, because Germany is spending $131 billion for this kind of importation. The largest on the list is raw aluminum. If you're a raw aluminum exporter, Germany is spending 6.16% of the total metal import, which amount to roughly about $6 to $7 billion to import raw aluminum. Germany spent 5.77% of the 133 billion on other iron products, 4.4% for copper, 4.17% for iron structure, 3.77% for large flat rolled stainless steel, 3.7% for iron fastener, 3.41% for aluminum bars, 3.37% for aluminum plating, 3.05% for hot rolled iron, 2.99% for coated flat rolled iron, 2.68% for scrap copper, 2.27% for metal mountings, 2.53% for other aluminum products, 2.1% for small iron pipes, 1.96% for flat rolled steel, scrap iron, 1.192%. By the way, scrap metal or scrap iron is not allowed for export from Nigeria. Interchangeable tool part, 1.83%. Ferro alloy, 1.78%. Aluminum structure, 1.43%. Germany is a highly industrialized nation. Being a highly industrialized nation, I'm not surprised at the level of metal import. Why? Because these metallic materials are required to be used for different kind of production and manufacturing. 1.34% iron pipe fitting, 1.1% raw zinc, 0.96% iron pipe, 0.93% iron houseware, 0.93% aluminum foil, 0.88% iron stove, and 0.87% padlock. Other metallic products imported into Germany include scrap aluminum, 1.34%, raw iron bars, 1.31%, steel bars, 1.3%, iron block, 1.15%, raw nickel, 1.13%, stainless steel bars, 1.1%, raw copper, 0.78%, iron cloth, 0.62%, copper bars, 0.58%, two plate, 0.47%. All these, including raw tin, 0.48%, and are being imported into the German market. Different metal products.